Now, in some cases, you may want to use a different unit, and therefore you want to change the project setting. So in this case here, you can see that I'm labeling this line with an azimuth. And I really want to choose bearing. So under the project settings, which is a sprocket up here on the quick access toolbar, you can come in and you can change under units, you can change the azimuth. So in this case here, you can see that it says north azimuth. If I change that to bearing, then my labels will display with bearings versus a north azimuth. The other things you can do down here is you can add azimuth labels. You can set the decimal precision and other information about the azimuth unit. So you can put a suffix or a bearing. The same thing under angular and or distance. So under distance, you can see here that you can put what unit you want to display, the decimal precisions, if you're going to use the project settings. Under suffix, you can see here the abbreviation for foot is FT. If you'd rather use a different abbreviation like the apostrophe, you can set that as the value to be used. So now you can see that it's actually putting in that versus the foot symbol or the characters of FT. If I was working in a metric unit or a metric project, I would see metric values here for my abbreviation. You can see here it says to add a space. I can say no to add that space, and now I can change that value. So again, that information is found under project settings, under units, and you're going to pick the object such as angular, distance, or coordinate, or other value that you would need to modify.